Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have here the Chella Good Drama Mascara in the shade Black to try out. And this looks like such pretty packaging. I'm really excited about this. I love trying out mascaras, so I was excited to see this in my March 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which if you have not seen that unbagging yet, that video is up here on my YouTube channel. But so this is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, talc-free. It retails for $25, which I feel like it has to be good for that price. Well, it better be if I'm gonna pay $25 on a mascara. It sounds like it will be awesome though. It says, "Who said drama can't be good?" Formulated with hemp seed extract, argan oil, and vitamins E and C. This high-def lengthening mascara will leave your lashes moisturized and lusciously long. I love that this has nourishing ingredients in it, and I love that it's supposed to be lengthening. With ingredients you trust and a unique, tailored brush that wraps around each individual lash, our mascara always separates and never clumps your lashes. Good drama with none of the fuss. Okay, that sounds awesome because I love separated lashes as well. I really hope that this is going to be as good as I'm expecting. Ooh, here's what it looks like. It's very light, like a plastic packaging. Okay, this wand looks promising. It's the spiky silicone bristles, and they're kind of long. So I feel like this really will be great at separating and coating all of the lashes. But here you can see what the wand looks like. I am so excited to start applying this. Ooh, yeah, it does have a nice gripping feel onto the lashes. And a good dark black color right away. And it also gives good volume right away. And I'm understanding that lengthening claim because it does a good job of completely coating the entire lash all the way onto the tippity top, which some mascaras really have a hard time sticking onto the tips of the lashes. The only thing is that it does not seem to be super separating like it claimed. The lashes are kind of sticking together, but no clumping. I'm gonna let the top layer dry for a little bit. Maybe I'll be able to brush through some of the lashes sticking together. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the lower lashes. A little messy on the lower lashes, but it does a good job of lengthening them and darkening them. So I think it's fine. Now let's see if I'm able to make these top lashes look any better. Oh, wow. Buildable volume. Oop, got some mascara on my eyelid. But yeah, I like how easy it is to build up the volume, but it's kind of making the lashes stick together still. Wow, I was really not expecting this to happen since it claimed to be so separating. I'm going to try kind of twisting the wand, seeing if I can wiggle it through. But no, it's still really making the lashes stick together. But it is nice and lengthening for sure. And it's a little bit lifting. I'm having a little bit more curl in my lashes as well, which I love to see. But I'm not finding it to be as buildable as I was hoping for because the lashes are just sticking more and more together. And now there's a little bit of clumping happening at the tips of my lashes. So I really do think this is where I have to stop brushing it through anymore because I think that's as good as I can get it. And yep, you can see the mascara is smudging as I'm trying to wipe it away. Yeah, I'm really not as impressed with this as I was hoping, but I'm thinking this is kind of just an average mascara that does a decent job, but is not blowing me away, a product that I would repurchase or really recommend, because once you get to that point where the lashes start sticking together, I'm just not really liking it anymore, because I want to have more volume. I want to have really full, falsy looking lashes, but once those lashes start sticking together, you can't really build up any more volume because it just makes it look like you have fewer and fewer lashes. And it really immediately makes the lashes stick together. But definitely lengthening and a nice dark color and a little bit curling. So if it just had that separation like it claimed, this would have really been a perfect mascara. But it's also a little bit messy. I keep getting a lot of the mascara on my eyelid and my under eye. But okay, my mascara is applied, and I just feel like my lashes do not look very full. They look a little spidery, so not my ideal look to my lashes. And it really is a bummer when all of the claims around the mascara make it sound like my lashes are going to look a certain way, and then once I use it, they don't look how I was expecting. So I really was excited about this, but not very impressed. But let me know in the comments down below if you do know of any mascaras that really do what I'm looking for, that actually separate the lashes, give that length, that curl in a nice dark black color. I love trying out mascaras, so I'd love to get some recommendations of ones that I haven't tried yet. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.